course you can drift. Of course, it's easy. It's easy. Oh yes, easy. Check this out. Come on. Come on. This is way too easy, man. It definitely didn't take like 5 tries. Can we do a 360? Let's try.